What we do here is go back.
Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. To do with the University Career Center or the here at UNC Charlotte. On top of that, you know, you got 2 feet you can walk. I've been walking around this campus. Know that I have not gone everywhere, and I'm not going to go everywhere. But this is just to help me the feel of the campus. Like, there's a lot of campus, and I am not a tour guide, baby. Picking up like we never left. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I am your host of the Campus Tour, Nicholas Ramsey, and I am super excited to be back. Now, we are in the vibrant city of North Carolina at UNC Charlotte. If you have not checked out UNC Chapel Hill, please go ahead, do me a huge favor, check that video out, see what is similar, see what's different, but at the end of the day, it's all UNC, baby. So we're gonna go around this campus today, see what UNC Charlotte has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. Now, before we get started, I want y'all to do me a huge favor. Like, comment, say, hey, what's up? Glad to be back, glad to be here. Nice hat, something. It truly helps this channel. Subscribe, turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. Now that that's out the way, y'all, have you done it yet? What you waiting on? Well, y'all, we have a lot to cover today, y'all. So we're not gonna waste any more time. We're gonna go around this campus, see if there's something here for you and if it's a campus that you want to go to. So without any further ado, let's waste no more time. Let's go ahead and let's get rolling. All right, y'all, so our first stop today is going to be my favorite place that is on every single campus, and that is behind me, the Popp Martin Student Union. Y'all, the union is actually really huge with 3 levels, and I'm gonna abbreviate it and call it a mez level as well. So 3 levels and then a mez level. So many places are there. We have the Starbucks, we have the bookstore, Barnes & Noble, we have an art gallery, we have all the food places, patios across outside of the building, information desk. There's so much in there, and I'm going to stop talking right now because there's so much to see. So come on in and let's see what the Popp Martin is talking about here at UNC Charlotte. All right, y'all, so behind me, which is right also next to the student union that we're just now coming out of, we have the recreation center. So the recreation center, you know, for all those athletes and just for people who want to be fit, want to go to the gym, you have everything here like pool, tennis courts, workout equipment. I definitely would be spending not a lot of time here, but I would be spending some time here, get my workout in, you know, have a good meal afterwards right here at the student union or beforehand, you know, get that protein in. But yeah, y'all, so this is going to be the University Recreation Center. Very conveniently placed right next to the student union. Our next stop on campus is the Atkins Annex. Atkins Annex, home to the Graduate Life Center, also the Career Center. So if you want anything to do with the University Career Center or the Our next stop on campus is going to be the Atkins Annex. So behind me, we won't be going inside, but it is the home to the Thomas L. Reynolds Center for Graduate Life and Learning, along with the Career Center. So the primary library here on campus is going to be the J. Murray Atkins Library. So this is a library where you're gonna, you know, read books, do a whole lot of different research. You know, a lot of time is gonna be spent here for, how you doing? A lot of time is gonna be spent here for studying, finals, all of that good stuff, right here at the Atkins Library.
What we do here is go back.
All right, y'all, so as you can see out here, this is a plaza with a whole lot of seating areas. First of all, it's summer, y'all, so that's why it's so slow. But it's a lot of sitting areas out here. You know, I'm sure you're gonna be with your friends, you're gonna eat, you're gonna chill out here in between classes, your little intermission, you can do it here. So yeah, y'all, really, honestly, I think I'm pretty much done, to be real with y'all. They have a lot of shuttle buses. I don't know if you've seen them, but they have a lot of shuttle buses around here. This is the Cone University Center. But yeah, they have a lot of shuttle buses around here to get you from A to B to C to D. And then also they have, you know, they have a lot of visitor parking and student parking as well. So there's ways to get around. And then on top of that, you know, you got 2 feet you can walk. I've been walking around this campus. Know that I have not gone everywhere and I'm not going to go everywhere, but this is just so y'all can get a feel of the campus. Like, there's a lot of campus and I am not a tour guide, baby. Well, y'all, that wraps up our journey here at UNC Charlotte. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. I'm so happy to be back. We have a great season in store for you. So it's a shit. God dang, try to take me out. But we have a great season in store for you, y'all. So if you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you'll miss any of the latest content. Until the next video, y'all, please make sure you stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them. And I will see you all later.